Hello, this is Harvey Jai from Mass Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unassemble your MSI Bravo gaming notebook. We have many screws. We'll take them out. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 screws in this. We need some old credit card or any card, plastic card, and a screwdriver, Phillips 4-headed. So let's do this. I've taken away all the screw I put here. You can see all of them I have here. So I take the computer as this and try to isolate the joint. Here we go. You can see. Better open from other side. You do as this. Use a card, put as this to separation, not to break. You have to do slowly. They have some lock plastic, they can break. Move all the way. Here we go. All the way. And put as this. Yeah, you can see. So from this side, you can see, and push this side as this. Here we go. So we have all the computer here. This is SD card here, M2 drive. You can take out the memories here. These are the RAM stick. So you can pull them out. In this case, two side is something as a clip. Here is the battery. You have to check the connector of the battery. Here you have a knob, you can take it out. You have many screws, you can take them out. Everything you have a screw, you can take them out gently. For changing hard drive, RAM, memory, also battery, you can do whatever you like here. This is Wi-Fi antenna. So you can do unassemble this completely this way. So this is the way you can unassemble to your MSI gaming notebook. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.